Oh yeah, one thing I wanted to add too is they're super comfortable. These are huge. I don't feel them at all. Of course I could see them because they're humongous, but I don't feel them at all. So
and then I must add, mine actually feel a little heavy. So actually I think I got the crap end of the deal here, but ready?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lauren. Today I'm joined by my slightly younger but far more attractive sister, Leanne.
Yep, that's right. Great intro.
Today we're just gonna have some fun and play with some eyelashes. We've been kind of obsessed with finding like the perfect eyelashes to wear.
Which is really hard to do, by the way.
Yes, we're both stay-at-home moms, and we each have 2 babies at home, so we can't go get our lashes done. Although we fully support lash techs and we think that what they do is absolutely artistic and amazing, but it's just something that we can't do for ourselves. Yeah. So we've been trying to kind of like experimenting with all these different styles, all these different ways of doing it. You know, we've heard of Lashify, we've heard of falscara. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna try the Kiss strip lashes and try to just like apply them under my lashes, just kind of like I see how they do on Lashify. I've done this before. I usually use the Muse ones, which if you follow my Instagram, you saw that I posted a story about the Muse ones. So these are Royal Silk, but I wanted to try these ones today because they're like way longer and just like super curly. You can see from the side, that's a little bit of a glare, but.
And we both have really different eye shapes. Yeah. So she likes these really long and curly ones because they fill up more of her eye.
Yes.
And then I'm just gonna use these trios, which are kind of tapered and more fluffy. And they're just really natural, wispy looking lashes. So I'm gonna use these and I'm gonna apply them to the top of my eyelid.
Yeah. And can you get a few days of wear out of them if you do?
I haven't been able to yet.
Okay.
I tried sleeping with them and then the next morning they were mangled, and I usually sleep on my back. I could have rolled, I don't know, but so far I've only been able to get a day's use out of them with this specific glue, but other glues I've tried I've been able to get more use.
So when I use the Muse strip lashes, I basically cut them up and I got 5 days of use out of them. Just this stuff is not meant to do like the under eye technique at all, but this is just what I've been doing. So I thought I'd share it with you guys.
And it sticks to yours.
But it works. But the thing is when I sleep, I'm super conscious about my eyelashes. So I don't roll over on my face. I wake up and I'm like,
yeah.
So I do have to kind of think about it a little bit, but to me it's just so worth it. I just really like to wake up and feel like I look a little bit put together before the craziness of the day and stuff. So.
Especially if you don't have to do mascara every day. I think that would be just key.
Yes.
And it just makes you have eyes again when you have mascara. So it's nice to have something that you can wake up and it's already done.
So we're obsessed with eyelashes.
Yeah.
In case you
can't tell.
We've been watching like tons of YouTube videos trying to find the perfect one. Yeah. So we're gonna put these on. Both of us are gonna put these on and just show you kind of how we do it today. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section, and we will go ahead and link everything that we use in the description below.
Okay, so first I'm just going to pluck one out with my tweezers. I think they give you a tool in this, but I just use tweezers because I just find it a little bit easier. And then I'm gonna use the strip lash adhesive. It is black, so if you make any mistakes, it's really nice because it will just blend into your eyelashes and you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a tiny strip of glue, and then we're just gonna kind of let it sit for a few seconds and let it get a little bit tacky, maybe 30 seconds. Now I'm just gonna start applying it to my eyelid. So I grabbed a short lash, so I'm gonna start on the inner corner of my eyelid and as close as I can to the very corner. And you kind of have to position this just right. So it takes me a few seconds to get used to it. Okay, and then I'm just gonna kind of press. So I'm gonna do another short one and apply it right next to the corner, just because I like them tapered, so I'll go long when it goes on the outside. And you're gonna wanna try to get the lash line as close as possible so it looks really even and there's no gaps or anything like that. Okay, and then I'm just gonna press them just to make sure that they're nice and secure. But there's 2 on so far and they're just really nice and wispy. I love these lashes. Okay, so I just grabbed a long one off of there and I put a little bit of glue. I'm just gonna wait about 30 seconds. But I like when I have long ones towards the middle of my eye just so it's really dramatic. Okay, I think I have, we'll see what one more looks like, and then I might do one more after that, but we'll see. So I'm gonna do another long one, and just make sure you gently take it out of here, because they are kind of sticky on the packaging. So just make sure you don't pull too hard that it's gonna rip it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take another long one and see if it'll fit first, and then I'll apply glue if I think, or I might cut it. That actually might work. My eyelashes are so curly. Yeah, let me try it. Okay, and once you have all of the lashes on, so you guys can see how pretty they are, they're nice and wispy, so they're very three-dimensional, and they're just kind of like the hairs kind of go everywhere, which makes them look really bright and open. So I love these lashes, and I don't like strip lashes as much just because it's harder for me to put it all on at once. So that's why I like the trios, so I can kind of place them where they need to be. Okay, so once they're all on, I'm just gonna press them so they stick onto my lid really well. And then once the glue is pretty dry, you can always kind of maneuver them how you want them to look. Sometimes I take this little spoolie. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of position them a little bit more so they look even on both sides. Okay, so I have a crazy one right there, so I'm just gonna trim it a little bit. There we go. There. They are just super wispy. They make my eyes look so much bigger and more full. Oh, and I'm gonna probably put some mascara on the bottom of my eyes too. Okay, and just to finish off my eyes, I'm just gonna apply some Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I really like this wand because it's silicone and it's really thin bristled, so it's nice for your little tiny hairs on the bottom. Okay, I'm all done. Okay, so these are the Royal Silk strip lashes that I use. So they have like a really tiny clear band, and I just cut them into 4s, and then I measured them on my eyelash and then just trim the end. So first I trim the end and then I cut them into 4s like this. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the glue. So I'm using this glue. So I'm gonna apply that to this part. So if I was gonna do a strip lash, I would apply it to the bottom of it right there and then stick it on the eyelid. But I'm gonna apply it on the inside, so like where the curl happens. And then I'm going to stick it to my eyelashes. So I'm actually gonna put a little bit of glue onto my eyelashes as well, and then a little bit of glue onto the base of that too. And then try to get as strong of a hold as I can out of it. Normally I would put eyeliner on the base of them, but I just forgot it. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so I'm applying glue to the inside right here. So I applied it to the inside. I'm gonna let it just kind of sit for a second. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna do a little bit on my actual eyelash too. Just be careful not to get in your eye, obviously. I mean, make sure you always just read the ingredients, make sure it's like
you're not allergic to anything in it, but I'm not. I haven't had any problems, so just gonna lightly dust it underneath. And I'm gonna take these. I got these from the Ardell DIY lash extension kit, but I'm gonna use them for this. They're kind of an awkward shape, but they're okay. Okay, so then I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna apply it underneath my eyelash. I wanna get it as close as possible to the waterline, but not touching it, otherwise you'll feel it. I just kind of push it up against it once I have it on. Yeah, that feels pretty comfortable. I'm not feeling it. So I'm just kind of like peeling my eyelid back a little bit just so I can see good. I want to get it as close as possible to the other one. These are huge. I love them. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of put some glue on the inner parts. I just do like half at a time. Okay, so I have one more to do, so I'm just gonna show you a close-up of what they look like so far. You can kind of see it, but that's why I usually just put eyeliner on that part so you can't see it. I just forgot it, but. They're huge. And then when you look down, you just don't see anything because it's not a strip. So, well, of course you see the glue where I messed up, but I'll just take that off with a Q-tip later. But it's so nice. Like, I don't have to wear any eye makeup and it just looks like awesome. Okay, moving on to the next side. Okay, so this is my outer lash. I like to do the outer ones first. I feel like it's just scarier to do it in the middle first, so I always just do the outer. And then it's just easier to take it off if you mess up. So I already put some glue on there. Make sure they're separated. And I'm just gonna kind of clean up around here. And yeah, like I said, the Muse ones, they lasted about 5 days. And in the shower, like I can't wash my eyes or any of that stuff, but that's why I don't put mascara on them or anything like that, or eyeliner or eye makeup, because I can't, it's just so hard to like get around everything. So, but I use just like a rag when I'm washing my face, like one of those Norwex cloths that Leanne showed me. I'm gonna put my glasses on too. That's why I got like a super big curl, because they don't touch my glasses. I tried the Falscara ones and they were just like hitting the whole time I'm like this, so. Okay, so we both have our lashes on, and let's talk about some pros and cons. So mine, these are the Kiss Look So Natural Trio Lash. So the directions on the box actually say to put them on your eyelids. So the first time I did it, I put them on my eyelids, I went to sleep, and it didn't last. Actually, I don't even think on my eyelids it made it through the day. But then I went to apply them underneath my lashes because I think that is a little bit easier for me, honestly. And those just were easy to apply, but it also didn't last through my sleep. So I don't know if these are the best lashes for you to leave on like for 5 days.
but they are a really good alternative. Like if you're going to like some big event, it probably will take me about 20 minutes to apply. And they also do feel like a tiny bit heavy, but the pros are that they're really wispy and really big and just really make your eyes stand out. So I do like them.
So I'm wearing the Royal Silk ones. I'll grab the packaging real quick. So it's these ones. So this is Royal Silk. They are humongous, but they are really fun.
Yeah.
And they make me so pretty. So
I like how they curl up really nicely.
Yes, yeah. And it's just fun. I have to clean this up. I'll do that.
Yeah. But also if you wear eyeshadow, you don't really need to clean it.
Yeah, if you wear eyeshadow.
But you don't really need eyeshadow with the lashes. So.
I just don't want to do anything. So this is just a really fun alternative. Yeah, you could do the strip lashes over, but it's just like you're cleaning them every day. You just have to like redo it every day. It's way more difficult than doing mascara. This is just like, once you get used to it, you do it, once a week and then just reapply it. And I'll let you know how long these ones last though. Maybe I'll do like an update in the description, but the Muse ones lasted a long time, but these are a lot bigger than those.
I think I like those ones the best. Yeah. Are these this is a brand new one that you're trying?
Yes.
Okay.
This was the Royal Silk. So this was just kind of an experiment.
Royal Silk.
Yeah. I've been like talking about them forever. Like, I want the Royal Silk ones. I want the Royal Silk ones. But it was really fun that we got to kind of try it with strip lashes, because the problem that I have with all the different DIY kind of lash extension kits is that none of them are like full enough for me, and none of them like curl enough for me, because when I put my glasses on, they just like hit automatically, and these are amazing.
Yeah,
they're super
really
long
good.
and curly, and they don't hit. So yeah.
And I think I might try the strip lashes next time, because she only cut them up into 4 and mine were like 20 different pieces that I had to put on each eye. So honestly, these probably weren't my favorite. I've had other ones that are a little bit quicker, I feel like, and I like when they're applied underneath the lash.
Oh yeah, and then I wanted to show the packaging of these ones too. So they have like a bunch of different curls in them, so it just looks very dimensional. I'm not gonna say natural, because these definitely don't look natural, but it has a natural effect. Like if they were real, it would look natural, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, really fun. Let us know what you guys think about them in the comment section. And thanks for going through this video with us. We're not beauty gurus, we're just moms, and we're just trying to make it work. So it was really fun. Hope you guys liked it. Let us know if there's any other ones that you want us to try, because we're kind of hooked on trying all these different DIY lash extensions right now. Because we just can't get out to get our lashes done, unfortunately.
Yeah. Which would be amazing, but...
Yeah, it would be absolutely amazing. Also, I wanted to make sure you guys follow my sister on Instagram, my far more attractive younger sister. She's amazing, and we're best friends. As you can tell, we can't get through a video without laughing. So sorry about that, and thanks for sticking with us. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, let us know if you want to try any other ones in the description, or if you have any questions about... Oh yeah, one thing I wanted to add too is they're super comfortable. These are huge. I don't feel them at all. Of course I could see them because they're humongous, but I don't feel them at all. So
and then I must add, mine actually feel a little heavy. So actually I think I got the crap end of the deal here, but they still look really pretty. But I just don't think I would wear them every day.
Thanks so much for watching again. Hope you subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you so much, and we'll see you soon.
Thank you guys. See you later.
Bye.